All right, the other day I was showing you these LEDs on these 2015 to 2017 F150, and somebody asked about 23 model as well. I found a set of lights that were like $280, $300. I think it was like a $20 or 20% discount or something like that. Set of cheaper lights on Amazon. It looked like they were pretty decent quality. These are actually really nice. They're only like $130 for this set for this 2015. The fitment, a little off, but not too bad. On this side, on that side, it just fit right in. Here's where I went wrong. I explained something incorrect, and I want to fix it real quick. So set the camera up here. Don't mind the belly, I'm working on it. Like I said before, I'm down about 18 pounds in the last 2.5 weeks, but it is what it is. I didn't realize what I was doing here. When I explained these sockets, see, these sockets are actually, first of all, they're in the wrong spot. So they don't just actually sit back in there. The black and white one goes down on the bottom. So you got to feed it like back through the light. They got it pulled through in the wrong spots from the factory. The green one won't fit the brown housing, and the brown one won't fit the green housing. The way they're clocked, it's awkward. And if they will fit, you have to force them, which means they don't fit. Basically, I'm just feeding these lights through. The 4-wire goes on top, the 2-wire goes on the bottom. So, like this, gotta switch it around a little bit. And then there is a resistor. It's kind of gold plated. I put it back there in the back, stuck to the metal, the aluminum, so it has a heat sink. That's what it is. It's supposed to be mounted like that. And then the green goes to the black and white. And then you clip it in, and then the brown goes to the 4-color, yellow, green, white, and black. And you clip it into the light, the housing. Put your light back. That's it. And there they are. I don't know if you guys know anything about this stuff, but this stuff is expensive stuff. Pure silicone. Expensive stuff. Lubricate the tailgate pivot points real quick. I typically start doing this a little bit before winter time. It dries clear. It doesn't really have too much of a wet finish, but it's really nice. This stuff right here is expensive though. It's about $18 a can for this heavy duty pure silicone. But anyhow, that's how I got this all set up. I'm gonna clean it up real quick, and then that's it. I wanted to fix that mistake from the other day. So y'all be blessed. I'll leave the link for these lights down low. If you guys with the 2015 to 2017 want access to them, they work great. They've been great so far, so we'll see. I've only had them on for a couple days, but we'll see how long they last.